to our LEGO world. Today, we're building something super fun and super relaxing. Get comfy, enjoy the LEGO sounds, and let's build together. Yay! The opening sequence carefully presents the LEGO Technic 2022 Ford GT yellow box in its pristine factory-sealed condition, methodically inspecting every side to establish authenticity and detail before unboxing. The builder's calm, precise hand movements guide the viewer through branding, features, and packaging quality, creating a clear visual foundation and anticipation as the hands finally position themselves to begin opening the box. The box is carefully opened and its contents revealed step by step, starting with the gentle removal of the factory seal and lifting the lid to expose the neatly packed interior. The instruction manual is taken out first and positioned clearly for reference, followed by the systematic removal of each sealed bag of LEGO Technic pieces. Every item is laid out with intention and precision, transforming the table into a clean, organized workspace that is fully prepared for the assembly phase to begin. In this segment, the builder begins the preparation phase by opening the first numbered bag and carefully sorting the LEGO Technic pieces into organized groups. The instruction manual is opened and reviewed to confirm the correct components, followed by the first precise connections that form the foundation of the model. Small beams, pins, and axles are assembled with deliberate pressure and satisfying clicks, resulting in the earliest visible structure of the LEGO Technic 2022 Ford GT Yellow, neatly positioned and ready for the next stage of construction. In this stage, the builder combines the initial sub-assemblies into a single elongated base frame, carefully locking each connection with pins and reinforcing axles. Additional black Technic supports strengthen the structure, creating a rigid and symmetrical foundation. By rotating and inspecting the frame, the front and central sections of the Ford GT chassis become clearly defined, establishing a solid base ready for more complex components in the next assembly phase. Are you enjoying the LEGO sounds? If you love LEGO builds like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More fun Lego builds are coming. Now let's keep building. Yay! At this stage, yellow Technic panels are added to the chassis, bringing color and definition as each pin is pressed firmly until a clean click confirms a secure connection. Additional beams strengthen the underside, making the structure wider, more stable, and balanced on the table. Technical components fill the center of the frame with precise alignment, while close-up moments highlight the satisfying accuracy of each connection. The instruction manual is turned to the next steps. New parts are selected and organized, and the half-built structure now dominates the workspace, clearly showing steady progress toward the Ford GT's final form. At this stage, the yellow body panels are installed on both sides of the chassis, bringing symmetry and a clear Ford GT identity to the build. The front section is carefully shaped as smaller details refine the contours and smooth the transitions between panels. With each precise click, the structure becomes more complete and visually cohesive. The final pieces are added with care, and the last connection is pressed firmly into place. The finished model is then lifted, inspected from multiple angles, and gently set down at the center of the table, revealing a nearly complete LEGO Technic 4 GT ready for its final presentation. Of the build, the remaining details are carefully secured, completing the structure with precise and deliberate movements. The instruction manual is closed, signaling the end of the assembly process, and the finished model is gently rotated to reveal its form from every angle. Each view highlights the clean lines, balanced proportions, and intricate details of the Ford GT Yellow. The model is then centered on the white table, fully assembled, stable, and visually refined, concluding the unboxing and assembly journey with a clear and confident final presentation. Yay! We finished our LEGO build! Thank you for watching and building with us. Please subscribe, because subscribe it's free. Like the video. And tell us which LEGO set you want next. See you in the next LEGO adventure. Bye-bye.